y'all, we got another classic truck for you. We got a 1997 Chevy Silverado 1500. Super clean truck. Let's get into it. You see that it's finished in all black. Paint, I'll probably say is driver's quality, just to be honest. No major dents or anything like that, but you can just see the black, you know, over years, of course. Dope thing about this car, it's only got 78,000 miles. You'll see that once we get on the inside. Tires are new, BF Goodrich at all four sides, all four corners. As we move down, again, you can see the body's in very excellent shape. I went ahead and left the back window open just because I was already driving this truck. No dents or anything to point out. Again, as we move down the side, pretty good condition again. No major dents, no waves, nothing to point out there. Top of the bed, you can see it does have a couple little scratches all the way across. Probably somebody used this as a work truck, or you know, at least to move some things around, because you can see it goes across the top. So probably some 2x4s or something. Inside the bed is pretty clean. It's got a drop-in bed liner, no issues there. So metal did get protected. Looking at the tailgate, solid. All the trim is intact. Bumper looks good, no rust, no dents, nice and straight. As we come around over to the driver's side, again, body looks good, nothing to point out there. Again, there were no dents or anything. Front fender looks solid as well. Give you that look down the side. As we look at the, oh sorry, forgot about the windshield. Windshield's good. No cracks over here, no rock chips. I think it's a rock chip on this passenger. Yep. Got a little tiny bit of a rock chip right here on the passenger side, all the way at the top. And again, looking at the hood, hood's in pretty solid condition. You know, again, it's black paint, so take what you want for a 20-year-old truck, but no dents or anything. Front bumper looks beautiful. Chrome is nice and shiny. No rust spots, no pitting anywhere, so solid there. Let me go ahead. It's gonna be a little bit easy because I ain't gonna have to check out the back, right? Go ahead and pop this hood. Underneath is super clean. You can tell that it was well maintained. AC does blow ice cold. Of course, you got your power brakes, power steering. She's got the 5.7. Backed by a 4L60. The 4L60 is a let me just lift this up, is a new transmission. We went ahead and put that in, so new trans, super clean car, and you'll see once we get on the test drive. It's gonna be a super easy look on the interior. Door panel looks nice and clean. Obviously with the lighter gray, you normally get a lot of staining. This looks great though. We got a cloth interior. The driver's seat looks good. No rips, no tears, no stains there. Let me see if I can do this. Yep. Back seat doesn't look like anybody's been back there. No burn marks, no rips, no tears. Everything looks solid. Got that back window open. And headliner is solid. I don't see any sagging. She looks good. Carpet looks pretty solid as well. Again, mileage reads 78,817. Dash is solid. I don't see any cracks, no raising anywhere. We'll test everything once we get on the test drive. And there's your center console. Let's grab this passenger seat real quick. And there's our passenger seat. So very, very clean, well maintained for sure. I'm gonna walk around to the other side and let's knock out this test drive. It's kind of funny because this truck I wanted to keep for myself, but I bought a 2007 Yukon just to play around with. I had wrapped it, did an interior change, things like that. But if I knew that this truck was coming up, I would have definitely done this, just because I know how bulletproof these things are. They hold value well, and it's super easy to work on them as well. But either way, you guys see I just started it. It was a cold start, fired right up, zero issues. Mileage 78,817. Radio's already on. Speakers are good too. We're gonna turn that off. AC blows ice cold. I already checked that. It's on now as well. course, she is a 4-wheel drive vehicle. Lights are on, I can see in the dash and reflecting off the cars. There's both your windows, nice and clean. Let's see what else we got. Map lights, solid. AC, not gonna worry about that. Horn good. That should be it. Right turn signal, left turn signal. Brights, turn them off. And there's your wipers. So everything works the way it's supposed to. Fuel tank is reading full. We did put our 40 in. Volts reading good on the battery. Oil pressure good. We'll see if the temperature comes up as we drive. I think back in the late 90s, these 5.7s had like, I don't know, somewhere like 250 to 270 horses. I can't remember exactly. More than adequate for this truck, you know, back then. So that's why I said these things are almost like bulletproof, honestly. All right, let's see here. Steering wheel is a little bit not centered. Clearly you can see hands off the wheel. Hit the brake, she's not pulling either way. She is tracking straight, it's just not centered all the way. More than likely it's probably from them tires, having them super beefy. I know they're all terrains, but they're kind of geared towards the mud side as well. So an aggressive tire like that would do that. Speedometer is coming up 25-30, appears to be about accurate. Again, it's a new transmission, so the shifts are super smooth, no issues there. No sounds or anything, belts, windows rattling, anything there. One day I'm gonna have to keep some tapes to the side to test these tape players. So many of the vehicles have cassette players in them, and we'll never get to test them because we don't have no tapes laying around. So put that on my to-do list. Temperature is coming up, super slow of course, but it's a beautiful morning. About 66 here right now. So suspension feels great, as you can see by the camera. I'm not bouncing all over the road. Just drives how it's supposed to be. That's why these trucks, these OBSs, they became so popular because they just drive so good. They last. Just super solid trucks. Give it a little bit of throttle as I get around this corner. Up to about 45, 50, no issues. Again, shifts are super smooth, suspension feels solid, and temperature is slowly going up, what you want to see. So I'm gonna get back and get her on the rack. We'll check out. All right, y'all, we got the 97 up on the rack. Again, rear bumper looks great. No signs of rust, no dents, so solid. Frame extensions, and then getting under the bed look beautiful. Ignore the spare tire, of course. But everything looks solid under here. Drum brakes in the rear, I'm assuming. Yep, and disc in the front. We'll get up there. Gas tank looks good. No signs of leaks or anything there. Again, under the bed looks great. Coming down the passenger side first. Frame looks nice and straight, as well as the body underneath. Got a little bit of surface rust, but to be honest, that's nothing crazy because there's no coating on the car. No factory undercoating to hide anything. So you can see these floors look great, as well as the bed itself. So nothing here to even talk about. No soft spots, no patchwork, looks beautiful. Cat still installed. Again, we got a new trans. Trans shifts super smooth. No signs of leak from the oil or trans pan. Disc brakes up in the front, and yeah, everything looks beautiful. So about what you expect under these. Again, 78,000 miles. Front looks good, no dents, no rust, nothing there. Coming down the passenger side, again, all 4 tires match. Tread is excellent. Wheel wells look good, and the actual stock wheels look good. Underneath the body looks good. No signs of rust going through, no bubbling anywhere. Body mounts look solid as well. The bushings, there we go. Like I said, it's just a super clean, well-maintained vehicle, honestly. And underneath the driver's side, again, your mounts, your bushings look good, frame looks beautiful, solid. All right, now, so if you guys are interested in this 97, make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, we appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.